So in case you're wondering what's this craziness going on here, hey extraordinary people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm Nadine.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
In case you're wondering what in the name of crazy is going on, I'm going to be darkening the roots of my hair, but I do not want to interfere with the color that's on the tip, the red color that's on it. But I do not want the color to seep through and mix with the red. Usually when foil wrappers are used, I plait it so that the hair strands are fused together to make it a little bit tough and, you know, kind of impenetrable, and then I wrap this over it. I am going to be using a darker color on my hair roots. I have gone ahead and plaited my hair into several sections, several plaits, and then I use the foil wrapper to wind it tightly around each plait. Then I'm going to be applying the black hair color to the roots of my hair only, and then when it has developed and when the color has changed, I'm just going to rinse it off. I'm hoping that it's not going to be liquidy. Hopefully it does not seep too much through this, so I will show you guys the finished result. Well, okay, for what it's worth, the roots are darker. It's still wet. However, I will come back in when it's dry and styled. It may not be on this video though, you know, basically you will see it on the other videos or so. My hair feels really very nice and soft, and this is the result. I believe I got the result that I was looking for. The foil paper, the aluminum foil, it did what I expected it to do as well, sealing off the color and separating it from where I will be darkening the hair. My hair is still wet. I will definitely allow you guys to see the look when it is dry. It might not be in today's video. Seeing that I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, you will definitely see. I don't think I'm going to come back in after it is dry on this video today, so I'm going to wait for it to air dry and then I'll see what it looks like then. So if you've made it this far in today's video, I just want to say I appreciate you. I want to thank you very much for being here. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're new here, come back and watch my videos. All right, big up yourself. See you Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and remember, as a bonus, I may give you something on Saturdays or Sundays, either or. NMC's world, no need to roam. This is your home. This is your place.
Extraordinary people, people from around the world. NMC's world, we can